sunrise paints the hills so green. A misty whisper, the earth serene. I breathe the air, it sets me free. Blessed earth, oh blessed earth, healing words in every curve. Blessed earth, oh blessed earth, light it up, let the fire serve. Blessed earth, oh blessed earth, healing words in every curve. Blessed earth, oh blessed earth, light it up, let the fire serve. Rivers hum a sacred tune. Drums echo neath the silver moon. Roots run deep, they never fade. From the soil the gift was made. Wisdom grows where seeds are laid. Blessed earth, oh blessed earth, healing words in every curve. Blessed earth, oh blessed earth, light it up, let the fire serve. Blessed earth, oh blessed earth, healing words in every curve. Blessed earth, oh blessed earth, light it up, let the fire serve. Clouds rise high, they carry dreams. Truth flows soft like ancient streams. Smoke ascends, the spirit beams. Blessed earth, oh blessed earth, healing words in every curve. Blessed earth, oh blessed earth, light it up, let the fire serve. Blessed earth, oh blessed earth, healing words in every curve. Blessed earth, oh blessed earth, light it up, let the fire serve. the blood like veins. Drumbeat pounding, hearts align, rising higher with every sign. Echoes carry through the hills and plains. Unity flows in the blood like veins. Drumbeat pounding, hearts align, rising higher with every sign. Chant them rise, chant them rise. Through the smoke, see the skies. Chant them rise, chant them high. Let the spirit never die. The wind it carries secrets low, whispers of the ones we know. Through the hills and valleys deep, where the spirits never sleep. Echoes of them. Echoes of them. They rise, they fall, they rise again. Echoes of them. Echoes of them. The drums they tell a tale of old. Firelight warm, but the nights are cold. A shadow moves, a voice is near. The ancestors speak if you dare to hear. Listen close, let it flow. Feel the roots, let it grow. Echoes of them. Echoes of them. They rise, they fall, they rise, and the echoes of them. Echoes of them. Through the haze of smoke and time, the leaves, a secret hum beneath the trees. The soil sings a song so old, warm and rich but full of cold. Oh, the stars they blink inside. Will they answer if I try? Garden rhythm in my soul. Let it bloom, let it grow. Roots and branches take control. Garden rhythm in my soul. Dewdrops fall like tiny drums. Echoes hum, the rhythm comes. A seed, it speaks in silent tones. Life begins where hope has grown. Sun dips low where the water sways. Salt air whispers through the mangrove maze. Feet in the sand, no shoes today. Green Island calling, it knows my name. Green Island, Green Island, take me home. Where the breeze hums low, where the wild things roam. Green Island, Green Island, I belong to your rhythm, your heartbeat, your endless song. Palm trees dance to the rhythm's groove. Moonlight paints every shadow's move. Shells crackle soft where the tide renews. Green Island's magic, it always soothes. Driftwood floats, stories untold. Night so warm, stars burn cold. Hear the drums, they echo deep. Green
stars lean close, the smoke ascends, a holy ghost. Hear the rhythm, the heart's true boast. The herb is life, we raise a toast. Inhale the calm, exhale the fear. The herb speaks truth, the path is clear. Green the herb, light it, learn. Feel the fire, let it burn. Green the herb, it's your turn. Pass it round, the world will It grows in silence, roots in deep. A promise made, the soul will keep. A sacred plant, the wisdom steep. Green the herb, let spirits lead. The moon is rising, slow and white. The waves are dancing, side to side. Salt on my skin, the ocean's hymn. High tide, pull me in. High tide, let it begin. Rolling waves, they know where I've been. The stars are drummers, beat so light. Clouds are curtains, hide the night. The sea speaks low, secrets it won't show. The wind it whispers, soft Me no grudge them who boast and pre. The gold chains heavy but they not free. I plant my seed where the roots grow strong. Them chase the world but me I belong. Me no grudge, me no grudge. Me heart clean, me no hold no grudge. Let them fight, let them judge. Me stand firm, me no budget. They flash big cars and diamond rings, but my soul not sell for shiny things. The breeze it whispers, the ocean sings. Peace in my heart is what life brings. Them carry envy, me carry love. Me not look down, me look above. Me no grudge, me no grudge. Me heart clean, me no hold no grudge. Let them fight, let them judge. Me stand firm, me no budge. Still they climb, chasing shadows, wasting time. But my spirit rise like the morning sun. Me battles fall, me battles won. hearts are turning, lessons in the fire burning, every spark a story earning, life's a wheel forever churning. Wings of flame, burning brighter, call my name. Ashes fall, but still I claim the skies, I play the game. Sacred smoke rise to the sky so high, mystic whispers in the breeze they sigh. Roots dig deep where the stories lie. Feel the earth breathe as the moments fly. Sacred smoke, Ganja, slow, let the rhythm take you where you need to go. Sacred smoke, Ganja, let it flow in the heart of the beat where the rivers glow. On the ocean's crest, fire burns steady where the soul's at rest. Echoes of the ancients put us to the test. Freedom in the air as the mind's undressed. Sacred smoke, Ganja, slow, let the rhythm take you where you need to go. Sacred smoke, Ganja, let it flow in the heart of the beat where the rivers glow. One spark ignite the flame, life and love never the same. Every puff a whispered name. Feel the truth, no need for shame. Smoke, Ganja, light it slow, let the rhythm take you where you need to go. calling under sun. Feet start moving one by one. A breeze of Zion in the air. No shoes, no worry, we don't care. Skanking in the jar, oh yeah, oh yeah. Feel the love, it's everywhere. Skanking in the jar, oh yeah, oh yeah. The rhythm takes you if you dare. Barefoot steps on sacred ground. Heartbeat steady, roots profound. Lion roars, the drum does too. In this dance we find what's true. One step, two steps, sway it free. Move your soul like the waves at sea. Oh, skanking in the jar, oh yeah, oh yeah. Feel the love, it's everywhere. Skanking in the jar, oh yeah, oh yeah. The rhythm takes you if you dare. Doom echoes roll like thunder wide. Bass line guides the starry tide. We're all one under Jah's bright glow. Unity in the skank we know. Skanking in the jar, oh yeah, oh yeah. Feel the love, it's everywhere. Skanking in the jar, oh yeah, oh yeah. The rhythm takes you if you dare. Skanking in the jar, oh yeah, oh yeah. Feel the love, it's everywhere. Skanking in the jar, oh yeah, oh yeah. The rhythm takes you if you dare. Clouds roll heavy like a lion's mane. Sun dips low like it's hiding from pain. Skies may know, they always change. Raindrops dance on a drum so deep. Winds low like they're singing me to sleep. Skies may know, secrets they keep. Skies may know, tell me why. Skies may know, make me fly above the earth, above the cry. Skies may know, I touch the sky. Stars blink sharp like a rasta's eye. Moonlight bends, makes the shadows lie. Skies may know, truth in disguise. The ocean pulls where the heavens lean. Reflections ripple like a dub machine. Skies me no, where have you been? Skies me no, tell me why. Skies me no, make me fly above the earth, above the cry. Skies me no, I touch the sky. birds hum, the sun dips low where the clouds come from. Salt on the breeze, whisper stories untold, under this sky painted red and gold. Tight harmony, it carries me, drifting out where I'm meant to be. Tight harmony, it sets me free, flowing wide like an endless sea. The moon pulls strings like a silent guide. Stars align with the ocean's tide. Footprints fade, but the rhythm stays, dancing soft in the water's haze. And I hear it call, feel it sway, pull me closer, take me away. Tight harmony, it carries me, drifting out where I'm meant to be. Tight harmony, it sets me free, flowing wide like an endless sea. Echoes ripple through the night, shadows move in pale moonlight. A song so deep it shakes the core. Tides embrace forevermore. I walk the earth with my roots so deep. Feel the bassline as it rocks my feet. Ring in my hand like the trees that sway, chasing the sun to a brighter day. I'm a weed warrior, yeah, I fight for the plan. Let it grow, they can't stop what they can. Blaze it up for the healing in the smoke so free. I'm a weed warrior, let it be, let it be. The system trembles when the herb takes hold. Ancient wisdom in the leaves so bold. They try to chain it, but the roots don't lie. Freedom rises like the smoke to the sky. Every seed a story, every leaf a prayer. The rhythm of the earth, it's everywhere. We rise like lions, we stand as one. The fight's not over till the battle's won. I'm a weed warrior, yeah, I fight for the plan. Let it grow, they can't stop what they can. Blaze it up for the healing in the smoke so free. I'm a weed warrior, let it be, let it be. Sunrise peaks to the misty hills. Ja breeze blows, soft the air it fills. The earth it hums, the heart beats still. When the chant calls we rise. When the chant lifts the sky. Oh, 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 when the chant takes me high. Feet on ground, but soul in flight. Roots dig deep through day and night. The fire burns, but the heart stays light. Oh, the rhythm it moves. The rhythm it soothes. Ja groove improves. When the chant calls we rise. When the chant lifts the sky. Oh, 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 when the chant takes me high. Feel the drum echo deep like thunder. Feel the bass line pull you under. The spirit